Welcome boys. Today we're going to change the hood struts on our E38. This is the part number, I believe. Okay, all we want to do is pry these springs on the old one, just pop them out and they should come out pretty easy. All you have to do is to take the old sleeve off and replace it before you latch. And then another important thing, be sure you want to put the bottom latch on first, just so that you can get around the reservoir. As always, thanks for watching. I see you next time, boys. Peace.